Welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about how advanced analytics can transform business decision-making. Unlike traditional analytics, advanced analytics allows you to predict future scenarios, optimize processes, and make informed decisions using accurate and relevant data. We see a diagram showing the key components of advanced analytics: machine learning, predictive analytics, and big data. These tools are helping companies gain deep insights to improve their competitiveness in a dynamic marketplace. If you are looking to learn how to implement advanced analytics to transform your business, stay until the end of the video. Advanced analytics uses complex algorithms to analyze large volumes of data and extract patterns that are not evident in simple analyses. Three main types of advanced analytics are illustrated. Predictive analytics uses historical data to anticipate future results. It is useful for predicting product demand, customer behavior, and business risks. Prescriptive analytics goes beyond prediction and suggests concrete actions to achieve the best possible results, using simulation and optimization. Big data analytics allows analyzing structured and unstructured data, including information from social networks, images, and audio. According to a Harvard Business Review article, these techniques help companies capture valuable information for better decision-making. Advanced analytics transforms decision-making by providing accurate and relevant information in real time. It shows how companies can act proactively using data instead of assumptions, improving strategic planning. For example, a retail company can use predictive analytics to adjust its inventory and avoid overstocking or product shortages, thereby increasing operational efficiency. According to a McKinsey study, companies that adopt advanced analytics can improve productivity by 6% and profitability by 5%. Advanced analytics can identify areas for improvement in internal processes. Illustrated is how General Electric uses predictive analytics to maintain its wind turbines. By analyzing real-time sensor data, GE can anticipate failures and schedule preventive maintenance, reducing operating costs and minimizing downtime. This ability to predict problems and optimize processes is key in industries such as manufacturing and logistics. Companies are also using advanced analytics to personalize the customer experience. Netflix analyzes its users' viewing history to make personalized recommendations. Using machine learning algorithms, Netflix can suggest series and movies that match each user's tastes, which has led to increased customer retention and satisfaction with the platform. According to a Forbes study, personalization based on advanced analytics has been key to Netflix's success. Advanced analytics offers multiple benefits for companies, including agility to respond to market changes. Companies can adjust their strategies quickly based on accurate insights. Cost reduction and efficiency improvement. By optimizing internal processes, operating costs can be reduced, as Procter & Gamble has done with its prescriptive analytics models. Risk mitigation. HSBC uses advanced analytics models to assess credit risk, which has improved the accuracy of its assessments and reduced delinquency rates. These examples demonstrate how advanced analytics enables companies to make informed decisions and take advantage of emerging opportunities. Advanced analytics is a powerful tool for any company seeking to remain competitive in a dynamic environment. Its ability to anticipate problems, optimize processes, and improve the customer experience makes it an essential component of business strategy. Organizations that adopt these techniques will be better able to adapt to market changes and capitalize on opportunities efficiently. If you are interested in implementing advanced analytics in your company to transform decision-making and optimize your operations, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. We'll work together to develop a strategy that maximizes the potential of your data. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.